Welcome to Laos, a land where time slows down, where mountains breathe with the morning mist, and rivers move like whispers through the heart of the earth. It is a place untouched by hurry, a quiet corner of the world, where peace and nature live as one. Here, life follows the rhythm of the Mekong River, a silver thread that binds the land in calmness. It flows past golden temples and gentle forests, past floating villages where laughter fades softly into the breeze. The river carries stories older than memory, and in its still waters, reflection feels eternal. Laos is more than a place. It is a meditation in motion. In the north lies Luang Prabang, a sanctuary between two rivers, wrapped in golden light. Monks in saffron robes walk quietly through sleepy streets, and bells from ancient temples echo across the hills. The air feels sacred, the silence alive. Every sunrise brings warmth like prayer, and every sunset folds the world into peace. Even the wind here seems to whisper wisdom, a language spoken only by the heart. To the east, the land grows wild and mysterious. Mountains rise like clouds, and the forests hum with unseen life. The Plain of Jars rests here, a field of ancient stone vessels scattered in silence. Their purpose forgotten, yet their presence eternal, a reminder that time does not erase wonder. Beneath the mist, the earth keeps its secrets, and silence becomes a story of its own. In the south, the Bolaven Plateau unfolds in green waves, cool air, tall trees, and rivers that dance through cliffs. Waterfalls descend like silver veils, Tad Phane, Tad Yuang, and countless others. Their sound both powerful and soothing. It is a landscape made for breathing, where wind and water compose the music of the earth. The air feels alive with peace, and even the stones seem to rest in stillness. Further along the Mekong lies Si Phan Don, the 4,000 islands, where water and sky blend into one endless horizon. Boats drift slowly between palm-fringed shores, and the evenings melt into gold and silence. Sometimes, a dolphin rises gently from the river, as if the world itself sighs in contentment. Here, days flow into nights without boundaries, and every moment feels like eternity. Laos is a country of caves and hidden realms. In Kamuena province, the great Kong Lor Cave stretches deep beneath the earth. Inside, a river flows through darkness, and the light dances faintly on stone walls. It feels like traveling through the soul of the planet. A journey that leaves only quiet awe behind. Each echo, each drop of water, feels like nature's slow heartbeat in the dark. Across the countryside, the rhythm of life is gentle and kind. Villages rest between rice fields and hills. Children laugh by the riverside, and elders sit beneath trees sharing stories with the wind. What makes Laos truly special is not what it shows, but what it makes you feel. It invites you to listen to rivers, to wind, to silence. It teaches that beauty does not need to shout. In Laos, peace is not sought. It simply exists. A land where the world stands still, and the soul remembers how to rest.